20 German businesses to start in your country. Did you know that in Germany there are business models so efficient and innovative that they still haven't arrived strongly in many countries around the world? Today I'm going to show you 20 German businesses that are already generating millions in Europe and that you can bring to your city to turn them into a highly profitable opportunity with almost no competition. Stay until the end because idea number 17, focused on high technology, could be the one that changes your financial future forever. Germany is known all over the world for its capacity in engineering efficiency and quality. That's no coincidence. We're talking about a culture that has managed to turn discipline and precision into true engines of growth. The most interesting part is that many of these ideas, which in Germany are already a reality, still don't exist or are just in their infancy in Latin America and Spain. That means there is enormous space for entrepreneurs who know how to detect the opportunity before everyone else. Today, in our cities, we keep seeing the same old business models, while in Germany, they are already creating businesses based on sustainability, convenience, and a level of quality that simply has no rival. We're going to break down the economic engine of Europe, idea by idea. Let's begin. Business number 1, high-efficiency portable street kitchen. We've all thought about starting a food business, but we're stopped by the cost of a food truck or a physical location. Now, imagine a complete professional kitchen that you can set up and take down in minutes. This is the concept of guerrilla kitchen, a German idea that reinvents street food with modular stations that include everything: stove, refrigerator, and even prep bar. The problem they solve is clear: the extremely high initial investment. With an investment that is only a fraction of a food truck, you can get started. The opportunity in your country is huge. Instead of spending thousands on a location, you could start with a basic kit and focus on just one thing: specialty coffee, signature tacos, crepes. Become the best at something and you can move to wherever the customers are. One day in a park, the next at a concert. It's an agile, low-cost business with very attractive margins. Business number 2, public toilets that produce fertilizer. This idea may sound strange, but it's pure genius. The P-Bank project consists of public toilets that collect urine to turn it into organic fertilizer. It tackles two problems at once: sanitation and sustainability. The problem they solve is twofold: the lack of clean public toilets and the depletion of resources like phosphorus for agriculture. In Germany, a country obsessed with sustainability, these projects are a success. The opportunity for you has several angles. First, you can charge a small fee for using a toilet that is perceived as technological and clean. Second, and here is the real business, you process the urine and sell the fertilizer to nurseries, farmers, or municipalities. The marketing is powerful. Use our bathrooms and help grow your city's parks. Business number 3, premium at-home bartender service. The at-home experience market has exploded. The German concept. The bar takes it to the next level. It's not just cocktail delivery. It's a professional bartender who sets up a designer bar in your home or event. Think of it as an Uber for luxury bartenders. The problem they solve is the stress of organizing a party and ending up serving mediocre drinks. The opportunity is huge in big cities with a growing cocktail culture. You can start with a single modular bar and create themed packages: gin and tonic night, margarita party. The initial investment is controlled, and you can charge a premium fee for an exclusive service that elevates any celebration, generating excellent margins per event. Business number 4, smart shelters for homeless people. Now we move on to an idea with deep social impact. The Olmer Nest are futuristic wooden and steel capsules designed to protect homeless people on cold nights. They are equipped with solar panels, heating, and sensors that alert social services to offer help. The problem they solve is providing a dignified, last resort safety net for those who cannot or do not want to use traditional shelters. In countries with cold winters, it's a direct solution to save lives. In warmer climates, they can be adapted as safe shelters against rain or violence. The business model is not charging the user, but selling the manufacturing, installation, and maintenance service to municipalities, NGOs, or as part of large companies' social responsibility. Business number 5, automatic bicycle car wash. Urban cycling is booming, but keeping a bike clean is a hassle. The German startup Cycle Wash created the first automatic bike wash. It's like a car wash tunnel, but in miniature. In minutes, the bike is spotless. The problem it solves is inconvenience. Think of urban or mountain cyclists. The business opportunity is clear. Install these machines in high bicycle traffic points such as train stations, universities, shopping centers, or bike shops. With an investment that can vary depending on the technology, the revenue model is straightforward: pay per use. It's a low maintenance, high visibility business that responds to a growing trend. Business number 6. Dropshipping with high quality European suppliers. Dropshipping is not new, but most people associate it with cheap products from Asia and slow shipping. The German version focuses on quality, using European suppliers to sell made in Europe products without holding inventory, fashion, organic cosmetics, design items. The problem you solve is the main distrust of online consumers: poor quality and uncertainty in shipping. The opportunity here is massive. Your value proposition is clear: high quality European products at your door. You can create a very strong niche store: organic baby products from Germany, sustainable fashion from Scandinavia. Your marketing is not based on price, but on story, quality, and exclusivity, which allows for much higher margins. Business number 7. AI diagnostic startups. We enter a more complex field but with immense potential. Startups like Quantun in Germany develop portable devices that measure biomarkers in real time, like a lab in the palm of your hand to monitor diseases such as diabetes. The problem they solve is the lack of access to advanced and continuous diagnostics. You don't have to invent the device. The business opportunity is to become the exclusive distributor and service provider in your region. Your market would be clinics, hospitals, and doctors. You could offer a monthly subscription service for the device and monitoring, positioning yourself at the forefront of personalized medicine. Business number 8. AI data compression software. This is a highly lucrative B2B business. In Industry 4.0, factories generate enormous amounts of data. German startups like Bitdealer create AI-powered software that compresses this data without losing critical information, reducing storage costs, and enabling faster analysis. The problem you solve has a direct economic impact on companies. You help reduce their cloud service bills and make decisions faster. The opportunity in your country lies in sectors such as manufacturing, logistics, or precision agriculture. Your business model would be to license this software to large companies or partner with one of these German startups to be their commercial arm, offering implementation and support. We've covered 8 ideas and we're just getting warmed up. If this list is opening your mind to new opportunities, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now and activate the bell. Every week I bring you proven business models from around the world so you stop dreaming and start building. Let's continue. Business number 9. Signature traditional German bakery. Forget industrial white bread. In Germany, bread is culture, recognized as heritage by UNESCO with more than 3,200 varieties. The problem you solve is the search for healthier, tastier artisanal bakery products in a market saturated with low-quality options. The opportunity is to open an authentic German bakery. With a small shop focusing on 5 or 6 iconic breads like Roggenbrot, rye bread, and pretzels, you can attract a public willing to pay extra for a superior, artisanal, and nutritious product. Business number 10. Artisan German cheesery. We think of France or Switzerland for cheese, but Germany has a whole universe to discover with specialties like Bavarian Camembert or Allgäuer Bergkäse. The problem you solve is palate boredom. The gourmet market is looking for new flavors. The opportunity is to create a cheesery focused on German specialties, an almost untouched niche. You can start by importing and distributing to restaurants and gourmet stores, or open a German cheese and wine bar for tastings, a sophisticated concept with high margins. Business number 11. Premium German sausage shop. German sausage is a cliche, but that's where the opportunity lies. What we know outside Germany is usually a cheap imitation. The business is to offer the authentic experience. Germany's reputation in this sector is a multi-billion-dollar asset. The problem you solve is the lack of truly high-quality sausages. The opportunity is multifaceted. A gourmet street food stall serving authentic bratwurst and weisswurst, producing artisan sausages to sell to premium supermarkets, or setting up a themed beer garden with imported beers. The key is uncompromising quality to sell a flavor people think they know but have never truly tasted. Business number 12. Traditional mustards and sauces. Where there is a good sausage, there is a good mustard. Germany has a universe of them: the sweet Süßer Senf, the spicy Scharfer Senf, and the iconic currywurst sauce. The problem you solve is the monotonous condiment aisle at the supermarket. The opportunity is to create a brand of gourmet mustards and sauces in German style. With artisan production, designer packaging, and a good story, you can sell online and in gourmet stores. It's a business with low initial costs and great potential to capture foodies' imagination. Business number 13. Distribution of niche German beers and wines. The world knows industrial German beer, but there is a craft revolution, craft beer, and world-class wines like Rieslings that are hidden gems. The problem you solve is discovery for high-end consumers. The opportunity is to become a curator of German beverages. Your job is to find small breweries and family wineries that don't export and create an exclusive portfolio. The business model is distribution to trendy bars and restaurants or a subscription club that sends a curated selection each month. Business number 14. Industrial automation services for SMEs. We think of robots in big factories, but the engine of Germany is SMEs, and they are also automating. The problem you solve is the belief that automation is too expensive or complex for small businesses. The business opportunity is to offer turnkey, affordable automation solutions. You specialize in one niche, such as packaging or quality control, and become a technology translator for small and medium enterprises in your country, a huge and underserved market. Business number 15. Clean energy consulting and installation. The Energiewende or German energy transition has created unmatched technical know-how in renewable energies. The problem they solve is that most companies only sell solar panels. The German approach is holistic. The opportunity is to offer comprehensive consulting. You install panels, battery systems, energy efficiency improvements, and management software. You're not selling panels, you're selling energy independence and sustainability, a high-value product for homes and companies. Business number 16. German sustainable fashion franchise. Fast fashion is in decline. Germany has a very strong sustainable fashion scene, with brands using recycled materials and ethical production. The problem you solve is the lack of fashion options that are both aesthetic and ethical. The business opportunity is to bring these brands to your country, whether through a multi-brand store, a franchise, or as an online distributor. You position yourself as the destination for conscious fashion, a high-margin niche with very loyal customers, especially among younger audiences. Business number 17. Distribution of high-tech home appliances. And here we reach number 17. Brands like Miele or Bosch are synonymous with home appliances built to last decades. The problem they solve is a market polarized between cheap brands that don't last and luxury brands focused only on aesthetics. The business opportunity is to sell an ecosystem of smart, efficient, reliable homes. Instead of a regular store, create an experience showroom where customers see the products in action. You're selling peace of mind, engineering quality, and the satisfaction of owning something exceptionally well made. It's a high-value business that can position you in the most profitable segment of the market. Business number 18. Made in Germany, health supplements. The Made in Germany label inspires enormous trust, especially in health. The problem you solve is distrust in a supplement market flooded with dubious products. The business opportunity is to create a brand or store that exclusively distributes German health products, from vitamins to sports supplements. Your value proposition is safety and proven effectiveness, leveraging Germany's reputation for scientific rigor. Business number 19. Educational engineering construction sets. While Lego dominates the blocks, Germany has Fischer Technic, engineering kits to build robots and machines, learning mechanics and technology. The problem they solve is parents' need for smart toys that prepare their children for the future. The opportunity is multiple. You can be a distributor, create after-school young engineers workshops, or sell the kits to schools as educational material. It's a business with a clear purpose and growing demand. Business number 20. Collectible model railroading. We end with a niche that is pure passion. Germany is the epicenter of model railroading with brands like Märklin, revered worldwide for their incredible quality and detail. The problem they solve is the difficulty for hobbyists to find high-quality products and a community. The opportunity is to create a paradise for modelers, a high-end store that not only sells trains, but the entire ecosystem of tracks, landscapes, and tools. The added value is community, organize workshops, and create a club. It's a business built on nostalgia and passion, with incredibly loyal customers. And there you have them. 20 business ideas directly imported from Europe's Idea Factory. What we've seen today is a pattern of quality, efficiency, and solving real problems. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes you just have to import it from a place where they've perfected it for centuries. The opportunity is there. Now the question is for you. Which of these 20 ideas resonated most with you? Which one can you see yourself adapting and launching in your city? Let me know in the comments below. I want to read which opportunity you discovered today. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Take action, be brave, and start building. See you in the next video.